Okay, about 3 weeks ago or something, I put out a video about my compressor, and now when my car is ready, fixed, and I don't have to take care of that, I can take care of other things instead. So now I finally have fixed my compressor. It was too slow, if anybody remembered that, and I can put a link in the description about it, so if you want to go back to check for that video. So bye for now, and hope you enjoy. Yeah, I have got me well, in Sweden it's called a bench grinder, but I don't know. It's a thing that grinds things anyway. And I got it for $15, 150 Swedish crowns. And that is not bad. It's rather cheap. I have gotta try to put it on this table somehow, because I need it now. Let's see here, I have to nail it somewhere there, a bit back, and there I nailed it. Well, and well, that was not good. That wasn't good at all. I have to take it out, and I can't. Have to take it out with something. Yes. Now let's see here, and there. Let's see here. But I need at least 2 holes. There's that one, and another hole, and a nail, or a snail. No, not a snail, a nail. Where did I put it? Did you see where I put that nail? I seem to misplace everything I hold. Well, I get another nail. I gotta nail this. Well, that'll do for now. Boom, 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 boom. That'll do it. We'll stay there for a while anyhow. Anyway, grooves? No. Nail that one. Put it on the right place. And the next, we go there some way. Let's see here, I have to make a mark in the big wheel for the compressor. We'll need something there, light, better light than that, but well, I guess that will do. Well, I guess that will do. And this one is here, and the hammer I need to, or maybe just my eyes. Let's see here. Well, I think that is quite good. Maybe not exactly right, but almost. Yeah, in the middle of that spot, and in the middle of that spot, but where is it right now? Where is it right now? Well, a little mark there. So I think that will do. Maybe or maybe not. Let's see here. Need something to make a mark with that. No hammer. Still no hammer. I'm hammerless right now. Very hammerless. I'll beat it. Nah. I think I need a hammer. I have to find a hammer. Okay. I got my marks. And I have tried to drill a little song. A little drill song. This is almost right, I guess. Yeah, it looks good. Some oil, I think I'm gonna need some oil or something instead of oil. 56 maybe. Maybe or maybe not. Well, I be damned. I have to do this some other way. Let's see here. Some fat on the drill bits. Well, this is boring. I do this and I be back. Okay, it was a bit messy here, but I got a first hole drill and I did get it, well, tapped, I think it's called. I made it so you can put M8 screw in it. Screw this M8. Let's see here. Okay, there we are. There we are now. And maybe I will get this screw in place somehow, some way, something. Let me see here. Ah, there. There we got it. There we got it. and it's almost I can clean it anyhow. Anyway, I think that is gonna be at least somewhere near the middle. More drilling. I'll be back when I have drilled that hole and show you how easy it is to. So I fixed the hair. Now I have to drill another hole with a little pat on the top. And well, I think that will do. Okay, I have drilled a hole bit in here, like that. I think that's enough. I guess so, or maybe not. We'll see about that. And this, I don't know what's called in English, but this is the thing that makes the wrinkly things on a screw work. Let's see here. I think that's quite enough. More that. Stop there. I don't think it got it. Maybe. Oh, yes, maybe. We'll see about that. It's round. Well, it looks okay to me. And now there's a screw. I have to look for a bolt now. Stopped recording for some reason. Strange. Well, I don't know how long you were, but this is working for me. And now, let's see what will happen here. I'll take that somehow a bit closer to. I have to do what? I have to loosen these and those. Well, okay, we do a before and after. This is before. And that's a bit slow for me. And this is after. It's a bit better now. Seems to be working quite well. Oh, there you are. Bye for now, and comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want to, you can share it with your friends. Bye bye.